Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make crystal candy at home. Begin by gathering sugar, water, cream of tartar, and flavoring, then sterilize jars and set up skewers for crystal growth. Dissolve sugar completely over low heat, cool slightly, then pour into jars and suspend the skewer. Place jars in a quiet, undisturbed spot and monitor crystals daily for 2 to 7 days until desired size develops carefully. Start by measuring a ratio of 2 parts sugar to 1 part water for a supersaturated solution that encourages crystal growth. Heat gently while stirring until all sugar dissolves, then add flavor and color sparingly to avoid affecting crystals. Pour the solution into prepared jars, cover to cool slightly, and insert a seed crystal or rough skewer to give crystals a surface to form on over several days at room temperature. Keep the jars undisturbed and at consistent temperature to avoid malformed crystals and cloudy growth. If crystals form too slowly, slightly reheat solution and reseed with a fresh crystal. If crystals form on the jar walls, gently break them and transfer to a skewer. Harvest crystals when they reach desired size, dry briefly on wax paper, and store in an airtight container away from humidity. Experiment with flavors and colors for creative results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.